Hello, hello. How's everybody doing? Everything doing well? Oh my god, yeah. Starting streaming like 3, 2, 1. Hi, how you guys doing? I'm PNG for right now. I decided to do a PNG instead of the whole 3D because I don't want everything to get hot in this room. So that's what's happening. So I'm participating in the Epic MegaJam, and I'm trying to do this solely. Uh, so so yeah. Um, the theme of the jam is integrated future, and I wrote down a couple things. Of what I thought this could be. I know that antiquated feature is like old fashioned and futuristic something. Um, so if you have not seen my tweet from Twitter or X, I made a progress post about a vehicle driving through the road that's running over some blocks, and the idea was there was a meme going around in anime community about a vehicle called Truck it basically like an old fashioned vehicle, but it's like part of a small or medium sized truck, and it's supposed to be a force to be reckoned with. So the idea from the theme for this is like a very old fashioned vehicle, uh that was about to go to a infinite runner, running over some pedestrians. That was the idea. And since I'm doing it myself, I'm gonna end up sticking with this because I do not have enough time. So yeah, that's what I'm going with. And since I'm doing this by myself, the whole goal for me right now is to be able to easily try to make a game that I can be able to accomplish by myself, and definitely not something I want to try make this overcomplicated. Reason why is I don't, even though I'm doing this on myself, I don't really have a lot of time. So I had to make sure the assets I'm using or making needs to be as simple as possible in order to process all of it. Actually, in order to be able to manage about almost all of it. What I probably would say. Now, an idea came up when I was making this game. Like, I was pretty much raised as we fell with the infinite runner until I was trying to think about, okay, let's think about this theme again. Like, infinite runners has been in the game for a long time, been made for a long time, and Starry Day is becoming a bit more old school. So, what if we give this Infinite Runner with something of a twist? I mean, we get that this is a. I mean, we get that this is a. It is what it is. But there's a possibility that we could probably make this give this a bit more than what it was. So I was like thinking of certain other ideas around this aspect, like maybe it's not infinite, maybe finite, but you're pretty much searching for something within the world, like a hit, like that. The idea came around was like you're a hit vehicle, out to get your hit truck out to get out to go out and isekai some folks because because a person that's sending you this information and paying you is being need these folks in another world. So that became an idea, and I said, okay, let's give that power a shot. Of course, now if I'm doing something finite, if I'm doing something very finite here, then this by the way, the vehicle flies, by the way. It doesn't like drop. Alright, hello. Oh, not stag. Uh-oh. This is very interesting. This is the first thing that happened to me before. I think what may have happened that okay. So all I need to do right now is go through all these stag mesh actors and make them stag. I think what happened here is like when I convert these meshes to a blueprint. They're all of them were all actually our child actors. and they are set to a certain mobility. And assuming that they're assuming all the mobility they're at are static when it should be all things should be movable when they should be static. So this is easy to fix. Let's try that. I can see the road. Ain't the road look a little more large for this truck? It's like I'm driving a little toy truck around the big road. Maybe the truck is actually cheapy. That's a bit better. If I could tell you one thing, it kind of feels great that I'm doing all this, that I joined MegaJam. It's like, it's been a while since I've been to one for like a very long time. Also, now thinking about it. Real quick, folks, I have not been a very good streamer for a while. Like, I was supposed to stream. I was supposed to stream at 8, but I fell asleep and overslept, so I had to move the time a bit further back. I think I need to change my behavior so I can be able to do this a bit more better. Do this a little more better. And I know in the future I want to make this a little bit chaotic, so I also want to be able to have this vehicle make turns. Like this vehicle is going to be driving normally, like straight line, like somewhat like an infinite runner. But I don't want this to be I don't want to try and make another infinite runner. I want to try and make something a little more original. So course, if things don't go my way and things are getting a little more complicated, no harm in falling back to the original idea of making this an infinite runner. I think, thinking about it now, or more or less, I'm like worried if I'm actually doing this, making it way more complicated than it should be. Because I had a schedule idea, like Thursday and Friday is pretty much coming up with a prototype idea. I couldn't do those days because I had like a couple of something came up that I need my full attention with it. And this day doesn't fare no better. I'm pretty much gonna do a few hours of doing this jam, and once that's done, I need to go and work on something else. Because I'm pretty much I had to take, because I gotta take care of things over there as well, which is very annoying. I want to actually stay here, do just focus on the jam and everything else, but like the things at home was very important for me, very important. So I'm gonna try to do my best to get this game to where it needs to be. It's funny. I've been going to this jam for a while now. Like long time ago, I've been participating in the Unreal MegaJam, the Epic MegaJam for a long time, and I have not been able to say win, but we were able to get I was able to get into like an honorable mention. Of sort. So right now, I'm pretty much focusing on just that, just making the game and just hoping to come out top, because I've been doing this for about 11 years now, 12 years, like a very long time. Okay, so here's my idea. Since I'm wondering what they're gonna doing, so I'm gonna make this very simple for me, and I'm gonna try to make a map that has roads, and that has about and make them about 30 to 50 in length. The reason behind that is because of course I want to try and make the place small and manage for me to try actually test this out. So if I'm thinking about it right now, I should focus. I should focus on trying getting a bunch of roads in a certain spot. I feel a little therapeutic in a way, because one of the ideas I'm trying to accomplish is just having the vehicle turn. Also, 1 second. If I don't do this, I'm gonna be annoying myself for the longest of time. Say, hey, have you post your link to the stream? I'll be saying no, like, why not? Okay, back here. All right, this should be fine. There we go. And I'm gonna make it just like this size right now. And the goal here, and basically the is to again have the vehicle make turn. It's going to start in the center, and then it's going to then make turn. Like, I mean, it's like it's already moving around and driving. Like we're already able to do this, drive around. I'm glad it's not as fast as it is, because I have an idea. Need to make the ideas work. Although I'm not sure if the size of this vehicle is actually just. All right, here we are. This is what it looks like. It's a tiny little car. I didn't remember that shift escape close to the game. Makes things a lot more easier for me. Okay. Right here. And I need to make a right here. We already I know right here. We just need to make we need a way to make this car turn. So how the heck do we need to how the heck do we need to set this up? It's beyond my thought, but the thing is I didn't actually bar going having a real-time vehicle car because how long will it actually take me. Plus I want to make this more arcade than just arcade, so I want to try to make this simpler as possible. The player doesn't need to hit the gas to move. It just needs to steer the vehicle. And within when it drives through here all the way to almost over here, we want the player to be able to make a turn or keep going straight forward, depending if they're able to go straight forward. So I'm thinking this is how I'm thinking. Okay. And I'm going to use a cube as an ID, as reference. This box, let's say this box is a a trigger. This trigger will activate when the vehicle enters in. And where it is at in the world is going to determine where the vehicle is going to drive. So if the vehicle enter this trigger, then at this trigger, that indicates that they want to make a left turn. If they enter this trigger, it didn't enter this trigger, in case they want to make a right turn. if they enter this trigger but moves forward, in any case they want to turn left, turn in any case they want to right. I mean, I'm making this on a most complicated scale, but it's something I want to try to make sense of it all. Okay. And this is indicating if the vehicle is driving this way. I also want to make sure that indicate if the vehicle is driving this way, that even if it hits these triggers, it won't do anything. It won't actually do anything until it hit this. But like if it's coming from here, goes over here, hit these triggers, and if I hit this one, it looks like it's going to activate these. So I think the best way I could have this trigger be triggered if it gets the vehicle's direction. Like, is this vehicle heading facing the same direction that you're looking at? If so, activate the trigger. If not, don't bother. That sort of thing. Okay, so now we got that established. How does the turning look like? The turns go basically look like this. Right now, how the vehicle turns is basically this way. The vehicle is actually a character class, and the way it moves right now is like it moves from a certain direction. Speaking of that, I could probably make this character rotate differently. Matter of fact, real quick, I don't quite remember how the rotation. I'm making a lot. I made a lot of projects, and I still don't remember how the controller turns. Might be because I get control rotations or something like that, but like. I'll get there. We'll get there. Okay. Here, give it control, y'all. Or I change the movement input from certain world directions. Decisions. already thinking about this. It feels like I'm making this all already complicated. Also, all I need to do is have this vehicle turn in a 90 degree angle. Durangle. 9 degree Durangle. Excuse me. I'm gonna play around. What if I give it one? We turn. That makes sense. Hmm. Okay. We've been doing this for 11 years and we still haven't get a good figure out on how we're going to do this. Oh God. No, no problem. We have time. Of course, if I don't want this, that's okay. We can I can always go back to the original idea of infinite runner. Sorry, just kind of thinking in my head right now. Like, okay, we have the triggers. The trigger will make the character rotate. Let's make those triggers for a second. Wait. Let's make the triggers for a second and see how difficult it is to make them. Oh, a second. Okay. Let's say just a one corner. One corner didn't need to turn. how how difficult is how difficult it is right now to be able to set that up. Makes me asking the important question. Because thinking about this, I'm assuming that I'm able to just I was uh I was assuming to just make a trigger box here and trigger box over here, which we're able to do that right now. Let's say we overlap the if we overlap the left and right trigger and the and hold on a second, need to go to the restroom. I will be right back. Alright, folks, I'm back. Oh, back. There we go. That's like the third time I've done them. Okay. You know, it's like it's activated for some reason. Turn on. And tells it to turn left. Everything needs to turn right, and there's I have one more thing. Say go straight. Right trigger, solve the screw, activate, tells it to turn right, and deactivate. I'm basically right now it's kind of keep my mind this simple in my mind and what I'm thinking of. And then running the problem as I go along. All right. Okay, right off the bat, the triggers are not big enough. Oh, hey, I made the triggers big enough. All right. Make a duplicate here. So here's what I'm thinking. So we're able to drive along here, drive, and we see it. We hit trigger, and it'll pop up. It'll be activated, and it probably tells us which way to activate. To go which direction. If I pass either one of them, I won't be able to trigger. So I need a stopper, a trigger stopper somewhere right in the not in the center, but right at the edge. functionality of a trigger. There we go. Here and click on deactivate trigger. Actually, let's do this. I want to set up in a way where I can be able to say which what to turn. This could be 3, it could be straight. Left and right. And say instead of the triggers force you to turn, we'll have the deactivate to force you to turn. And we want to make sure that it's only this truck and car that's going to do the deactivating part. Also, let's give each time this turn defaults to straight. We will then want once hit the deactivate, we then want to have the turn to activate which one of these. And also, I want to add an error real quick. think this one's gonna be straight up simple. I say straight up simple because we are just getting the four effector of this and the four effector of this. And this is gonna be some simple, some straight up math. This is going to be dot or cross? A dot, right? Because all we're trying to get is a simple direction. We're not doing duration, we're doing this. This needs to be, let's leave this at 60 and give this the color. I'm coming in with complicated math stuff. All right, so I want real quick. I have an idea of what it's going to do, but just in case, I want to just print these things out. I was like, just in case. I want to see what it looks like. What the heck? Why are you not moving? You usually move when I let you move. I think I broke the damn thing. Okay. Oh, wait. Do you have another vehicle in here? -1, +1. Okay. Now we have that. Now we have this idea going. I want to try this. If this is greater than 0. All right. Okay, obviously we will need these visible for right now. But once we're done, we're going to have these invisible. Turn back to invisible. So we know it doesn't do anything. Okay. Okay. Oh. Okay. Now we have those activated. How do we make you turn? And most importantly, I just remember now. Not only this has it, not only this has to change, the camera has to change as well. All camera has to change as well. Reason why is because this is basically setting itself up based on the actor's location, and the only thing that's allowed to change is vector wise. This with this setup, this won't be possible. Because we are assuming the actor's location when we're not assuming its rotation or where it's facing. So, what if what if we multiply? Then we add based on the X and Y. Okay. Add the control plot. Add input affecting yaw to control rotation. Okay. If this is a local multiplayer, this value is multiplied by the player's controller's input yaw scale. Hit player. Let me play around a little bit real quick. If I set this thing to 45 right now, I'm gonna get a 45 degree. Yes, and I get a weird. If I'm very weird. How about 90? How about 90 degrees? Now I can't move left and right. Hold on a second. However, I definitely like the camera. It's just now that I just need to figure out what 0 is. 0 is basically just where is what is right now. Okay. So all we need to do right now, basically in this kind of thing, we just need to add 90 degrees or subtract 90 degrees. I'm gonna make it an F enter. gonna make this a float. And how this is going to happen is going to be like this. We're going to add 9 degrees. We're going to subtract 9 degrees. When we turn left, we're going to add 9 degrees. Or I think we subtract. We're going to add negative 9 degrees. All right. Let's see how it goes. It does. Okay. Interesting. One thing is that this is what's supposed to it was supposed to trigger this. I'm gonna play around a little bit more. Yep. Okay. Oh, why it's not doing? Oh wait, I'm an idiot. Of course it's not doing anything. Of course it's not doing anything crazy because I haven't set it up properly. Bam, bam, and turn. What the fuck? And turn. What the fuck? Okay. Okay. Okay, set control rotation is not the thing we want. Because player controller is not where is that? Okay. Looking at this, I think we're only able to add rotations and all that kind of stuff, but we're not able to adjust the rotation itself. Okay. And the way this way the adding works here is like we're trying to add the angles here. Let's see if this is if the current thing is set to is set to 90 and the actual turn is set to 0, then it's going to be somewhere in between, which is around 40, maybe about 45 degrees, I think. So how much is that? Is basically just it's gonna be end up going to be 45 degrees. And 45 degrees to 90 still meet somewhere between we're gonna do a calculator. Give me 45 degrees difference between that and 45. So that made no sense. Huh? Wait. Hold on a second. If I were to do this, 0 divided by 2. It's gonna give us 0. Okay, cool. Then this should be clean. Wee! God damn it. Okay, no. The goal here was that try to make somewhat a difference. Okay, even if I try to make a difference, it wouldn't matter. Because I don't think that's how. If that's not how I guess that's not how rotation works here. So add rotation angle work. If it's one thing's gonna give us the big headache, it's probably gonna be just this, and the rest we just enough give us enough time to add content. So I only want to do this. So I guess I want to do this. Okay. It can't be as simple as turning the mesh. We have to turn the on itself. Could be as simple as saying the actor's rotation. I don't think so. Because what's happening, we're rotating the actor. but we're not rotating the rotating the actor, but we're not rotating the controller. As far as this, we can be turning the actor all we want, but the wait, this is the before effect. Close but no. Okay. Okay. I thought having it having the actor rotate also affects these having the actor rotate also affects the actor's forward effect, but it turns out it might not be it. We'll go try it again. Okay. Bam, bam. It is not. Okay. Okay. It does not. Okay. Mm-mm. Rotating the controls does that. Hit the forward X vector from length of this vector in world space. Okay. I don't think that's something I would have, but we. Hmm. And that. That works. Now to get the act. Okay, dumb question. How did I got you to rotate again? Oh my god, it's actually working. Now, one more thing I need to do, and that is get y'all set up. We get the formula. All right. It's rough. It's probably not gonna make any sense, but okay. And this is all based on its initially location. Okay. actually based on the niche Y location. So if we're going to end up doing that, I think we'll have to change the Y a bit or something. Ooh. Math gonna be a pain. It's gonna be a pain for me. Not my strongest suit, but it's definitely one of my definitely a suit that can be very annoying. Hmm. I'm gonna try to make this as simple as possible for me to think about. How straightforward. It's not. How it works here. Okay. So instead of using, in the beginning, I used begin play because I think I was only going to use one camera. But for this case, I think I want to try to create a new function. Maybe call it activate camera. I'll have his initiate location set up this way. And I'll have activate camera this way. That way it will this will update. I'm also thinking about just having deactivate camera. That way, this thing doesn't get ticked at all. I say this doesn't get ticked off, but it really is ticking. As is going to move. I want to activate this camera and actually let's have try it this way. Later on in the future, I might want, say, if I want to continue this, I will have to straighten up the controls for the camera a bit more. This is actually a bit of annoyance. I don't think I need this because it's gonna be a possibility that we want. Ooh, I don't know. I'm giving everyone a camera. only need one. Not really liking the way I have to set up. But this will work right now. Okay. There we go. Okay. Okay, so this I think this will work. And now to just I'm already liking it. it one more time. Say that's actually for time being. Try it. The reason I'm doing this is because when it switches very weird. Also, so what's also very interesting is that this is going the opposite direction. This like when it goes left, it goes like the opposite direction of where it's supposed to go. Hmm. give it a shot. Okay. Okay. Interesting. Oh, wrong one. Excuse me. Okay. What's happening here? Inactivate. It should hit 180 degrees here. All right. Maybe that breakpoint here. Anyways, about be about time. Actually, I need to be able to take care of something real quick. And I say take care of something at home, so I'll end the stream right here. So thank you for coming by. Thank you for watching. I'll see y'all next time. All right. Bye bye. I'll make sure to post my progress up of I'll make sure to post my progress up in Twitter. So I can see what becomes of this. Hopefully, but I'm liking the way how it's going. So thank you for coming by. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. All right. Bye.